va.
And we're back finally. Thank you guys so much for 50,000 subscribers.
50.
Honestly, you guys, it means the world to us. Thank you so much. Stay tuned because at the end of this video we're gonna go. Sir, just kidding. Stay tuned because at the end of this video we're gonna go ahead and announce our giveaway and all the rules to enter. So
it is gonna be a big giveaway. So
yeah.
Make sure you answer.
Keep a lookout.
So como estaba diciendo a toda la gente que anda ahí en español.
Bienvenidos a nuestro canal, mi nombre es Leti y él es Chava. Y gracias a todos por 50,000 suscriptores.
50,000, bro. Damn.
Vamos para 100,000. Pero sí, quédense a ver este video. Al final vamos a anunciar cómo entrar a ganar un premio en nuestro giveaway.
Un premiote. No, en serio, va a haber un premio mayor.
So yeah, si gustaría entrar, sigan mirando este video. Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and talk all about edible image printers and paper and anything about edible images. If you guys would like to learn all that information, please keep on watching this video.
Ok, so a toda la gente que anda mirando, hoy vamos a hablar sobre la imprimidora de papel comestible. Y si quieren seguir viendo, pues sigan viendo.
You're so dumb. Alright guys, so yeah, so how we're telling you guys, we're gonna go over all the information on how to get an edible printer. And so our edible printer is
it's not an edible printer, it's an edible image printer.
Whatever.
You can't eat it, you can't bite it, homie. You know what I'm saying?
Anyways,
you know what I'm saying?
This printer is the Epson XP440 for the retail price of $268. Es la imprimidora Epson.
And that's cheap.
Que sale $268. And we're gonna go ahead and tell you where we got it. So you guys, we got this printer through DecoPack.
Yes, DecoPack. That's where you're gonna get basically everything.
All of your paper, ink, and printer. So technically, to order from DecoPack, you have to have an account with them, and to get approved for an account, you have to have a seller's permit and a tax ID. Okay, so basically, when I called DecoPack after I put in my tax ID and my seller's permit, I called them and they told me you can't get a printer without a storefront. So at that point, Chava hit up our friend Mary from Mary's Cake Shop. Thank you, Mary, for all your help, girl. She ordered it for us because she has a storefront.
Alright, so básicamente lo que dijo es, para agarrar la imprimidora necesitas tener una cuenta de DecoPack. Y para tener una cuenta de DecoPack necesitas tener un tax ID, permiso para vender, un seller's permit. Y básicamente ahí es donde vas a agarrar todo la ink, la imprimidora y el papel. So trató de ordenar una imprimidora porque nosotros tenemos un DecoPack ID y todo, ¿verdad? Pero dijeron que teníamos que tener una store, una tienda. Y nosotros no tenemos una tienda, obviamente. Como no pudimos hacerlo, le llamamos a una amiga de nosotros que sí tiene una tienda y se llama Mary, con una imprimidora por ¿cuánto?
$268.
$268.
Es barato comparado a otras que estábamos buscando y no nos queríamos arriesgar en ordenar en Amazon. We didn't want to risk ordering on Amazon and not having the warranty, I guess.
Porque sí las venden en Amazon, pero en Amazon cuestan un poquito más y sí cuestan como unos 400, 500, pero obviamente pues no te pueden ayudar para nada para instalarla ni nada de eso, ¿me entiendes?
When the printer got here, we realized that it didn't come with anything, no starter ink or no paper, so either way we had to order through DecoPack. So we went ahead and ordered our ink and our paper through there.
Alright, so les vamos a enseñar cómo roza la cadena aquí. Alright, so we're going to show you guys how this works. And we're going to give you guys all the info, okay?
Okay, so basically let's go ahead and start off how we maintain the printer, okay? So basically daily you have to do something to maintain it. So basically they want you to print a image or color test every day. Todos los días tienen que imprimir una foto o hacer como una prueba, ¿verdad?
Para que no se te tapen estas, ¿cómo se llaman? Las pipas. ¿Me entiendes? Básicamente, ¿no? It's basically so that the little
whatever
won't dry out, you know?
So you have to leave the printer connected, so that it can run.
So to maintain it, there's options in there that it tells you maintenance, and then it tells you to run tests and stuff like that, so that way you could maintain it, you know?
Yeah, and then we run the test, and basically it's helps you choose the best color, pigmentation, and everything.
Yeah, so trust me, it's cool. It's an Epson, by the way. Es una Epson, la marca es Epson. Para todos los que no oyeron, pues.
And then weekly we have to clean the printer surface with a damp cloth. We actually do it like more than weekly, just like because we use it a lot.
You open it, and then you have to open the inside. You have to clean the inside with the damp cloth too. That way, everything stays fresh pretty much. Básicamente lo tienes que limpiar con una garra húmeda, para que todo se quede fresquecito, ¿me entiendes? Como nada esté polvoroso ni se te sequen las inks.
So dice que eso es una vez a la semana, pero lo hacemos como 2 veces nosotros. Usamos en la imprimidora muchísimo. Al principio decíamos, oh, no vamos a usarlo tanto. We always thought like, let's not buy a printer, we're not going to use it that much. And we literally use it so much, right? Like
a lot. It's literally
every day.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I save a lot of money by buying this. Seriously.
Yeah.
A lot of money. Because I used to buy my sheets for $10 each. Yeah, $10, right? $10 a sheet, and I mean, I go through so many sheets like a week.
And just a quick little thing, we used to think that the printer brand was what made the printer, like the image quality, what it is. So when we got an Epson, I was kind of upset because I always thought Canon had the best images from the store that I went to, and Epson had bad images from the other store that I went to. But in reality, I think it all goes based on the ink and the paper that you use.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright.
Okay, so you have to go ahead and buy 4 colors of ink, and each box comes with 2 cartridges.
Yeah, so this brand is Photo Cake, and obviously we get it at Deco Pack. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's Photo Cake. This is yellow, and this is magenta, and this is cyan, which is like a blue, and this is black. And it even gives you like the product number right here, you know?
Yeah, so basically you guys, each box comes out to $32.03.
Each one.
But like I said, it comes with 2 cartridges, so that's kind of pricey. Because
but it's still worth it though.
If you order all 4, it's over $100. It's like $140 for all 4.
Yeah, you get a good amount of images per round. You get me like per box maybe. Like say you put all these together, you get a good amount of images in one. So básicamente cada caja de estas cuesta $32 con 3 centavos y es en Deco Pack, y obviamente la imprimidora corre con 4 colores. So tienes que comprar 4, obviamente si agarras esta imprimidora. Son 4 colores y te duran un buen rato. Estos usamos como 10
a 15 cada fin de semana.
Cada fin de semana.
O cada semana completa, porque entre semana usa.
Como unos 15 pues, y a la semana.
Now, moving on to our paper, we use the Luxe edible image paper, but it actually has like what?
It has 24 images, so I mean 24 sheets.
For a 24 pack, it's $29.40.
Básicamente lo que estamos diciendo es que la marca es Luxe y vienen 24 hojas por paquete. Nosotros usamos como unas 6 paquetes ya.
Ya usamos ya 6 paquetes, más tratamos otra marca diferente de K-Pop.
También son como 7 paquetes que ya usamos. Pero
sí nos gusta.
Nos gusta mucho pero también está muy delgado, es delgado, pero también te sale más fino el dibujo. ¿Me entiendes? So what I'm saying is these sheets are thin. Like the paper's thin, but the paper, like it comes out HD. You get me? Like it's the paper the images come out more clear. So they also sell the thick one, like thicker paper, and obviously, I mean, it's harder to cut and stuff like that. But
yeah, the thicker paper, it's you don't really need to put a lot of fondant under the image to make it look like pop, because with the thicker paper, it just literally pops.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of people ask, do you always have to put the image on fondant? The answer is no, you don't. But think about it with this paper, it kind of like sinks through, like it
bleeds.
It melts into the cake, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Or if you have a color like black, it's gonna bleed.
You're pretty much gonna bleed. The black's gonna bleed into the image since it's thin, you know.
Yeah.
So it bleeds into the image and it just ruins the whole thing. So preferably, just always put fondant behind your images. Unless the whole cake is white.
Yeah.
Then you can just put it on there, you know?
Yeah. Or you have that thicker one, you can try and like get away without putting fondant, but preferably it always looks cleaner with fondant.
Yeah. Lo puedes poner en fondant para que tus imágenes estén mejor, así lo puedes poner donde sea, pero si no le pones Fondant tendrás que poner como en pastel blanco nomás, porque si lo pones en un pastel negro, lo negro se le va como, se le mete al papel y se arruina todo el papel, ¿me entiendes? So, tienes que tener cuidado con todo eso.
Sorry, estoy tratando de leer, que me mandaron muchas preguntas. So, alguien dijo que si el printer, like, ¿cómo hacemos para imprimir las fotos? O usamos nuestro teléfono, usamos...
Oh, it's Wi-Fi compatible, ¿no?
Okay, sí, so es Wi-Fi compatible, pero no nomás es Wi-Fi, pueden usarlo si tienen computadora o lo que sea. Nosotros usamos el puro Wi-Fi y con nuestro teléfono hacemos la foto, ponemos el size que lo queremos y lo imprimimos.
Aquí tiene para el USB atrás y acá tiene para la SIM card, no SIM card, la
SD card?
The SD cards. So,
and we have a scanner.
Yeah.
So
tiene scanner.
So someone asked if our printer is only Wi-Fi compatible. It's not. You can use it with the computer, with the USB. We have a scanner, but we use it only pretty much with the Wi-Fi, and we add our dimensions, and we just press print and it prints out. And then somebody else asked if the images only work if they only work on cakes or they can do it in gelatinas.
Well, it depends. Like I was saying, this one's thinner, so I would say if you do it like with the thicker image, you could do it, or you could even do it. I've seen a lot of people do it on regular paper,
that's what I've seen.
Just with edible ink, and make sure you just. I mean,
so basically you flip, like you mirror the picture and put it on regular paper, and once you put it on your gelatina, the ink will like sink into the gelatina, but the paper just
you have to kill it.
Yeah. So that's a cool. So you could use it with gelatinas if you buy your own printer or even order from us.
Basically, what you have to do is just reverse the picture.
Yeah.
So it could come out. Yeah.
Alright guys, and then.
So como estaba diciendo para gelatinas, la puedes
usar. I forgot to answer. But
buy these right here, these little covers, so you can put your image in there, and then you seal it with the top like that. You just fold it, and it's like sticky. So you
or like the large Ziploc bags, you know. I'll put a link for this. I got them on Amazon. But yeah, anything that leaves it sealed, where no like
air can go in, they'll dry up with the air, and then they'll start like cracking.
Yeah.
So I mean, and that's something that you should know too. With like, say you put it on a warm surface, it's gonna turn like crunchy right away. Yesterday when I put it like on top of I had put a cake right here, and then I took it off and I started like cutting an image, and it got super hot, and my image like started cracking, like if it was a, what do you call it, a paper, rice paper.
Like
yeah.
Oblea?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it was crazy, dude. But yeah, just remember to always keep it covered and sealed. Okay.
Siempre lo tienen que tener
sellado con estas.
Para que no se seque. Honestly, it's a lifesaver. I love it. I love this printer. I'm so happy we got it. And we're going to go ahead and print out some images that we're going to use right now on a cake. And Chava's going to go ahead and I'm going to input a little video right here, a little screen recording of him making the collage of the image, so you guys can kind of see how he does it. And then we'll show you how it prints, and then we'll move on with the information for the giveaway.
Okay, so basically what I did here, I chose the app Pic Collage, and so then I chose 9 photos, the ones that I was going to put on the cake. And I do recommend you put 9 photos, so that way they could be pretty large. And that's going to go around an 8-inch cake, just so you know. And then so I saved it, and since I didn't want the watermark to like be on the picture, I screenshotted it, and then I edited it on my actual pictures. And then see how I left the little blank spot on the left? That's because my image is not to size to the 8x10, you know, so I just left it. Alright, so it's on, okay? So make sure it's on before you print an image. Alright, so asegúrense que esté prendido, obviamente. Esto lo tiene que subir para arriba. So nomás les estoy enseñando cómo sirve esta imprimidora, ¿ok? So, esto lo tienes que sacar.
No, yo pensé que estabas enseñando cómo imprime la imprimidora de
mi mamá.
De la Walmart.
Ok, so lo que vamos a hacer es, vamos a poner nuestra imagen. Okay.
You have to be careful, guys, while taking out your image. They're very delicate, so just be very careful.
So what you're gonna do is just put it in there. Leave it in there like that. The part that's gonna be used.
Yeah, facing up.
Yeah, towards the front. And so basically, what I'm gonna do is go to my pictures, and since I want this image that I already showed you guys, and then I'm gonna print it. It says print.
Alright, so here it says printing.
You take this out.
And here it's gonna come out right now. It's pretty fast, you guys. Look at that quality, you guys. Look at that quality.
You see how it's like super HD?
Yes.
Like that?
It is so pigmented, so like, I don't know, so clear. It's perfect. I love it.
Alright, and another thing is that these stay narrow. So it's not the whole, it doesn't take up the whole sheet. So try and get some that take up the whole sheet. So look how HD it is. Ok, miren la imagen, es lo que imprimí ahorita. Se mira súper claro.
Okay, so now we're gonna grab our little plastic and we're gonna go ahead and put it away until Chava makes the cake.
Yeah, which is in a few minutes.
And by the way, it's 4:27 in the morning. You already know how we do.
So there it is. Fits right in there. And then what you're gonna do is take this off. Well, it depends what plastic you get.
Yeah.
You could get the
Ziploc one or whatever, you know.
And then just put it down and then seal it. Boom. So there, it's sealed. Yeah. No air is gonna go in it, nothing. So it'll be fresh for.
Alright guys, so that was it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, please leave them down below that we might have missed. I can't even really think. Like, we've been gone for so long that it's so hard. No hemos estado enfrente de la cámara por tanto tiempo que se nos.
Que me da vergüenza.
Ay, sí, mucha vergüenza de tener.
Alright, so como les estaba diciendo, vamos a tener un giveaway. So, lo que significa eso es que vamos a regalar algo si ustedes hacen lo que vamos a decir, ¿eh?
So if you do what I say, you're gonna win.
No, but, okay.
But yeah, guys, so to thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers, which we're so grateful for, we are gonna be giving away a KitchenAid mixer. Yay!
That's huge, guys.
We still don't know what color we're gonna do, so if you guys have any, suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, because the rules will be, you have to be subscribed to our channel with your post notifications on. You have to go ahead and shout out our YouTube channel on your Instagram page, like on your page.
Yeah, and you're gonna post it on your Instagram and make sure that you put hashtag Serranoscakes 50K. So that way you guys can enter, and you're gonna have to go with the rules that are down here, like whatever. You know?
Yeah, so
and make sure that your page is not public, so that way we can see it, you know?
Not private, yeah.
Yeah, because if it's private, we can't see that you put that hashtag.
And then, so yeah, and also make sure to be following us on Instagram at @Berletti and at Serranoscakes.
Yeah.
And then this is actually gonna be like nationwide, but not like if you're outside of the country, like in Mexico. Unfortunately, you know, we can't. I know we have a lot of followers from Mexico and Canada. We won't be able to ship it out there. But if you're in the United States and New York and Miami, wherever, you can enter.
I mean, unless you guys want me to go to Mexico and I pay for my ticket, I mean, I could go, you know.
We're actually going to Mexico this weekend to drop something off. But yeah, guys. No, yeah. So we'll go ahead and post the winner on YouTube, not on Instagram. We're gonna post it on YouTube with a video on November 1st.
Basically, we're gonna announce it on YouTube, and if you don't claim the prize in the next week, then we're gonna give it away to someone else.
It's gonna be to someone else. But yeah, you guys, we really hope you enter this giveaway. I know that the mixer will help a lot of you out that are starting. And I really appreciate every single one of you guys that have been with us.
We appreciate you.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea that have been with us since the beginning, through all the ups and downs, through all our drama. You know, like, you guys are the MVPs, and
everybody that supports us. I really thank you guys, and I really appreciate it.
We're gonna be more active. We promise.
Yeah.
We've just been like up and down with like cakes, so many cakes, and just trying to relax, been hanging out a lot, you know, been traveling a little bit here and there, and just like spending time with our families, and it's been amazing. But yeah, guys,
we'll get to it again. Yeah. Sorry about that. Well, we will start just.
I know a lot of people have been asking on YouTube on all our videos, like, where are you guys? Are you guys okay? Gracias a Dios, we're okay.
No, me metí un putazo aquí, pero no más.
No, no chingues. Gracias a Dios, we're okay. We're better than ever, and yeah, we're healthy, and our kids are healthy, and yeah. But yeah, you guys, we'll see you guys in our next video, and
peace out. Peace, love, and respect for all of you.